coming to you guys with my official apartment room tour, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna jump right. I will not be showing my suite mates things. I didn't ask for permission, so I want to respect their privacy and their things. So I'm gonna jump right into it. Alright guys, so this is what you see. When you walk into my apartment area.
I have a little living room right here. The trash can over here.
I take the top two shelves right here. I like all my perfume and lotions and then cleaning products and then like more genital things and tissue. Just, you know, you see paper towels, trash bags, all that. So this right here is my side. Got some cotton swabs and all my face care routines that I use on a regular. Then I got this little coconut vanilla scented hand soap from Marshall. It was $4.99. It's my sink. And I got this little cute rug. And then down here is a mess already.
Ready, but that's okay. Just like hair things, basically, and more razors, deodorant, body wash, all that. So.
And then I got my plug-in. And then more face things. Toothbrush. So here's my room. So this is an overview. So when you come in and you turn this way, I have a door mirror hanging. I really thought this room was gonna be a little bit bigger than this, so I could have room for a mirror, but it's cool. I have this, and then you have the light switch, the fan switch, the light switch, and then I got this lamp. It's like 5 feet and 11 inches. So yeah, and then I got a little trash can right there. I have my book pack hanging. This is where I store like my everyday wallet and then my keys, because I'm very forgetful. And then I just have some assignments that I need to do to prepare for a test that I have coming up. Yes, already, but this is what I signed up for. And then I just had these. I had this in my old room, so I just kept the colors the same, so I just put it back up. And actually this lamp was by my bed, but since it's so cluttered in here, I moved it over here, and I think it looks way better over here. Then I have these two ottomans over here. One is furry with gold streaks, and then there's a pink one. And I always never know like if I want my bed skirt over it or like behind the ottomans. Like I just don't know. And then you come over here, I have my white furry rug with the gold streaks, just like that ottoman. And if you guys are wondering where I got my book pack from, it's a Steve Madden. It was like $30 something. Like $30, yeah, for this backpack and a little wallet set to match. My sister got the black one. So if you open up, I've got my purses on this purse rack. Dirty clothes hamper that's already full. And then I have my wallpapers. So, you know, whenever I want to do an intro or outro for a makeup video, there we go. And I have more lights. I don't really know if I want to give them away or put them up. And then up here are my shoes. I might try to get a foot rack. I don't know. A shoe rack, because once I show you guys under my bed, I might be able to do that. And these are my clothes. These are not all of my clothes, you guys. I have a big old dresser with 4 big drawers in there, so I could fit a lot. They're pretty deep. And then right here, I took notes from my friend Shannon. She told me I should do it because I do be walking around campus like a bum. I have clothes and outfits already planned out, so you know I won't be completely lost on what I want to wear. But me being me, I change it anyway. This is the closet. It's pretty decent size. Moving straight along, I have a calendar right here. Now the reason why it's sitting up right here, I tried to put it on the back of my door and even right there, but y'all, it won't hang for nothing. Like the sticky tape, I don't know why it's not sticking on here for me, but I mean it works right here. It's not as, I don't know, professional. I don't know what I want to say. I just don't want it there. So I might end up having to buy a completely new one because I've ripped tape off of it and put some new ones on there. So if you guys have any tips, please let me know. But I have this Choose Happy right here. It's pretty. It's a pretty blank wall. I plan on adding more things because I don't have any pictures of like me and my siblings, like none of them up here. So I need like another picture, little frame like this one that I have, and put some more like maybe right here. The more pictures, the cuter. And I have candles. We can't use them, but they're really cute. They add a, you know, really cute layer to the room. I don't know. And then a charger box right here. This speaker comes in really handy. I got it really cheap at Target. So yeah. And I have all my lipsticks. So yeah, this is the drawers. I'm not gonna show you what's in there because they're pretty junky. I don't fold. Here I have this another Choose Happy from Walmart. It's really cute. Hung it right there. And so right here is probably my favorite part is the, let's see if I can get some good lighting. I put my vanity right here. I really don't want to study in my room, so that's why I made it to like this. So right here I have some lamps, and I love them because they have charger ports in them, so I don't have to actually plug in chargers. I just plug it in there and call it a day. Right here is where I keep earrings, necklaces, scrunchies, all that. Have some tea that I was drinking. This cute white and gold little mug. Thought it was cute. And then this right here. Oh, I still have the thing on it. Y'all, Marshalls at home was like flooded with these things, and I thought, why not put my most used palettes in there and display it? Like, that's so cute. And then I have two mirrors and then another lamp. I love lamps. Then I created my own little DIY vanity area. This is actually a rug. It's the same as this. It's just actually a white one because I had it sitting over there by the entryway, but it kept getting stuck in the door. So yeah, I just moved that right here. I have a little jewelry box, and you know, I just love this setup of it, but it's fine. Here is just my big makeup box. Nothing's in there anymore. And then I have a spray bottle with water, my Got2b spray, my laptop, and another makeup box. And then as you can see, all the plugs right there is my makeup drawers. And this drawer came in handy, y'all. I spray painted it gold. It came in like these multicolored things, but I really like it. Keep my brushes stored on top, and then the rest is literally makeup. Like, that's my little vanity area, guys. It's so cute. I love it. It's kind of cluttery, but it works. Right here, I just keep like my brush, my little toothbrush that I do my edges with, and a comb. And then this little glow ball, it lights up, but I haven't been plugging it up. So right here is where I keep my planner. I think it's so cute.
Philippians 4:13.
It's a really nice planner. Marshall's $10. Alright, so I also got this little notebook for about $5 from Aeropostale on sale. And it says that that's just for like YouTube ideas and club ideas or whatever comes to mind. So I have all my tacks and like chargers, and then scissors and markers for my dry erase boards and things like that. So down here I have like all my documents. I have my book, and I have all my sunglasses.
Y'all, leave a comment and tell me if y'all want that sunglass collection up, because I've already filmed it.
I just have these, you know, sheets hanging with my lights, and I have them going all around here. And then this is the bed. I really hate how this camera is like zoomed up. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Really cute. I love this. So I got this bedspread from Walmart, $14. The skirt was $10. These two pillows were from my last room. I got this one from Walmart as well. It's a big body one, and then I have another big body behind it, but it's just back there. That's what I actually sleep on, so it's kind of rusted because that one's from last year too. If y'all wondering why I'm 20 years old with a bear, my boyfriend bought me this last year for Valentine's. And then these photos, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 came from Marshall's. Okay, so this one is probably my favorite. My good friend Caitlin did this for me. So what I did was, this was a canvas. It had some other stuff on it from my freshman room dorm, and I spray painted it gold, and then she painted all the stuff on top. Okay, and this one says that I got it from Target. Super cute. This is probably one of the most expensive ones. Like this one, and then the big one in the middle was pretty expensive, but the rest were like range from like $10 to $5, which is not bad. So guys, that really concludes this room tour. I love it so much. I'm probably gonna add some more things over here, like pictures of my family and friends, like my siblings and a few friends that's not on the wall yet. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Y'all comment down below, tell me if y'all like it, because I love it. It's small and cozy. Thanks for watching.